Welcome back to the RepRapGuru Prusa i3 video build guide. In this video, we'll be assembling the electronics and mounting it to the frame. In this video, you'll need the ramps board, 4 stepper motor drivers, the Arduino Mega, the mounting hardware for the ramps board, a Phillips screwdriver, and the printer. We'll begin by taking these heat sinks and applying them to the stepper drivers. You're going to want to peel off the adhesive on the back of the heatsink and apply it to the chip on the stepper driver. Next, you're going to want to take the little bag of jumpers that came with the ramps board and place them on the 3 jumpers under each stepper driver position that we'll be using. This will enable 1/16 micro stepping. If you don't have these jumpers in, your axes will move further than they should. Next, we're going to take the stepper drivers and place them on the ramps board. We're going to start by peeling off the foam on the bottom protecting the pins and placing them in the X, Y, Z, and extruder spots on the board with the potentiometer. There's that little circle right there facing back. When you're done, it should look something like that. And then the next step is going to be to take off the foam on the ramps board and place this on the Arduino. We're going to want to look at it like this and make sure that all the pins are lining up properly. Some of the headers on the Arduino may need a little bit of bending in order to make it all fit. When you're done, it should sit flush on top of the Arduino, and it should look like this. Next, we're going to take our assembly and we're going to mount it to the back frame of the printer. We're going to need 2 bolts, 2 nylon spacers, 2 washers, and 2 nuts. We're going to begin by taking the bolts and placing them through the ramps board and then through the Arduino. And then on the back side of that, we're going to place 2 nylon spacers. This is going to keep the solder joints from rubbing against the acrylic and also provide a little bit of airflow against the back of the Arduino. That is going to get mounted with the green plug facing down on this side of the printer. And then on the other side, we're going to place a washer and then tighten it down with a nut. If you'd like, you can tighten it further with a screwdriver. When you're done, it should look like this. That's it for this video. In the next video, we'll be flashing the firmware to the Arduino.